Hello friends, welcome to my channel. RAM version 2.0. Now I will going to tell you some important tips to get rid the pimples. Pimples and acne is the most common skin condition. During puberty, hormone production changes. This can cause the sebaceous glands, located at the base of hair follicles, to become overactive. As a result, pimples are most likely to occur during the teenage years, and around menstruation for women. Your skin has tiny holes called pores, that can become blocked by oil, bacteria, dead skin cells, and dirt. When this occurs, you may develop a pimple. If your skin is repeatedly affected by this condition, you may have acne. The main reasons for pimples are hormonal imbalance, dandruff, pollution, dirt and oil on the face. Pimples and acne in teenage are very common. It causes because of so many reasons. Follow these simple easy tips to get rid pimple permanently, without using any costly medicine and ointments. All these tips are my own experience. I followed all these tips, and I got 100% good result. Point number 1. Wash your pillowcases at least once a week. Because pillowcase contains a large number of bacteria, oil, dirt, and sweat on it. So if you sleep on that pillowcase for so many hours in the night, the bacteria enter into your skin and cause pimples and acne. Point number 2. If you're suffering from dandruff, it contains a large number of bacteria. It will stick to your pillowcase and enters to your face skin while sleeping. Point number 3. Wash your towels and handkerchief at least once or twice a week. Point number 4. Avoid oily food, spicy food, junk food, fast food. Observe the person who eat less amount of these foods. Their face looks so much clean and soft, there is no pimples and acne on their face. Point number 5. Don't keep any soap on your face for so much of time. Because the chemical in those soaps, you may lose the natural tendency of your skin, and you will get pimples and acne. Point number 6. Use best sunscreen lotion while going outside. Point number 7. You just make a table of your daily food taken and absorb after consuming which food you will get pimples, and try to avoid or decrease those food intakes. Example, eggs. Yes, eating eggs causes pimples, also some of the other food causes pimple. You just make a table and study which food causes a pimple, after a very next day of eating, and try to avoid it. Some of the foods which cause pimples are cow milk, eggs, brinjal, chana flour, maida, sugar items, chocolates, cool drinks, etc. Point number 8. When you go outside and come back to your home, immediately wash your face with face wash or with good soaps. Point number 9. Cut your nails weekly once, because if you touching your face directly with your hands, there are so many bacteria will exist in your nails, will cause pimples. Point number 10. After you getting any pimple on your face, don't pinch it. Simply you forget about a pimple on your face. If you are pinching it, you may get ugly pores on your face. Point number 11. Drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water every day. Point number 12. Take highly antioxidants, like green tea, watermelon seeds, grape juice, pomegranate juice, pumpkin seeds, etc. Point number 13. Eat fresh fruits and vegetables. Point number 14. Take vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acid, like fish oil capsules. Point number 15. Drink body cooling items, like buttermilk, coconut water, cucumber, watermelon etc. Follow above all tips, and observe the changes in your skin,